I formation. Mason turns, goes in motion. The keeper, and Davis has got first down and a whole lot more. He is going to score on 4th down and an inch. 40. Driving to the goal line, just shy. Inside the 1, it'll be 3rd and goal. Back sneak into the end zone. Touchdown.
Touch it. Free play right there. Free play. Throw it.
Davis. And he just did get the first down, staying inbounds. He's got the pitch if he wants it, but that's a touchdown.
See, all tonight's defenders have to make that tackle. If they had him,
Walker putting it up, knocked down. Davis should have picked that.
That was a dangerous throw.
He's going to keep it, and a great fake by him. He's got a lot of room. Cutting it back. Touchdown, Dunbar.
That was a great move. We got to have a replay of this. And Eastern Hills as well. There's still people coming in on that side.
That pass complete. A nice touch ball from...
It's the fade route.
And touchdown to Mason.
Somebody better put your back into your place. Sing it.